Who is suing vegan activist Gary Stanson for $1,200.
Man, you guys are early.
This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system to provide the most consistent.
Can't forget about these guys.
These alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Coweta, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning. This has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming.
Alright, let's take a look and see what radio is activated. The Recom R1650, WR120, the ESP2100, the 301, the 74210 went off, and yes, this thing is in the way. The HH, the 522, the regular 300, version 2 finally activated, and phooey this one.